No matter what the state of your house looks like, when you set out to clean up, you know you're in for more work than you bargained for. Exceptional presentation standards are great if you're having people over, transitioning from winter to spring, or staging your house for a sale, but your home being free of what lies beneath, mold, mildew, foundation, or wall damage, etc. is something else. After all, people have expectations of walking into a clean house. One of the most effective things you can do is to remove clutter. Not only will this let you evaluate what needs to stay and what can go, but it helps you see into neglected spaces that cover damaged areas. With the clutter out of the way, you can then inspect and clean spaces that need to be well organized. Deep cleaning can be more complex than the routine you are used to, and it is important to get your home in the best shape possible. A deep clean creates the most appealing living space possible. There might be some things you can live with, such as smudges on the appliances or a tiny stain on the rug, but you should inspect further. What's under the appliances? Are the gas lines secure? Are the floors stained beneath the carpet? In the worst-case scenarios, a deep cleaning session will identify areas in need of professional help. There might be mold or another serious issue behind the walls, and a remediation team can assess the problem before guests come knocking. SERVPRO of South and Northwest Grand Rapids offers emergency fire, water, and storm damage restoration for residential and commercial clients. Call us at 662-9700.